Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install a NextBase dash cam in a 2016 plate Scooby with keyless entry. So I've put mine in already. As you can see, it's right in the middle of the screen by there, and what I want it to do is every time, let me just jump in, every time I turn the car on, I want it to come on and record. And in the back, I've got one in the back as well. So if I just clutch down, press ignition, car's started. You can see front one's come on straight away and it's recording. And the back one as well. So what I'll do now, turn the car off. Give it a sec. There you go. Front one's gone off and the back one has gone off. So I'll show you how I've done it. What I've done, I've peeled this back all the way, and if you can see, you've got part of the cable there. So down by the fuse box, bit difficult. There's the jumper fuse there. It's going into the first, well, second fuse. So look, 1, 2, third row up, first fuse on the left, if you can see that. And the earth point I've just put to by there, earths really well, and I've run the extra cable in, I've just put in here, tucked out the way. And what I've done, I've run the one up here, so behind this, through all the way up. As you get to the inside then, I've tucked it in, across the roof lining, all the way across, down into the camera. And for the back one, I've lifted up all the plastics, I've left a bit here so you can see, poke that underneath, all the way across the back. So these plastics as well, all the way through. Lifted the seat up, took this, lifted the seat up, took this out. Comes under here. Let me just jump in the car. Right underneath, round, into the line in there, and then into the back camera. Works like a dream. Hope you enjoyed the vid. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.